How you doing, guys? Fred from Stencil-Tech here. I'm going to be demonstrating today and showing you how we go about planning our pours, how we do our formwork and shuttering. If you look around the external perimeters of the job, we always like to use 4x2 timber. We always like to ping our lines from our finish level at the roadside through to our finish level at the house. Always, whenever possible, water coming away from the house. If you look at the curves and the shapes that we've got going around the outside, we'd like to use soffit board or fascia board, whatever we can get to actually get a flex. You always have to reinforce it with a lot of pegs to ensure that when the concrete does sit against it, it doesn't warp and misshape. As you can see around here, we've got the garage floors a hell of a lot higher than where the set timber lines are, so we've got a good fall coming away from the property. Always like to try and use cam spec limestone whenever we can. But this today is going to be a stencil system. You can see all of our stencils sat there behind you. Colour surface hardeners spread around the job, so it's all in position, ready for what we need. So stay tuned on this one, guys. I'm going to be putting a process video on about how this is going to be done, the full process all the way through. And I think it's going to be quite an interesting job for you to see. So stay tuned. Thank you.